Today we're making Coconut Almond Macaroons. Coconut Almond Macaroons are so easy to make. We only have 5 ingredients. We're using 7 ounces of almond paste, and you're going to grate that with the large side of your box grater. 2 cups of powdered sugar, and we're adding 14 ounces of flaked coconut. That coconut tends to stick together, and the almond paste, of course, is sticky. So I like to just go ahead and toss this and break up the big clumps. We're going to mix this with our hand mixer. If I find any large pieces of the almond paste, I go ahead and mash them between my fingers. That's how your mixture should look. And now we're going to set this aside and get our eggs whipped. In our second step, we're going to whip egg whites until we get soft peaks. You need 1/2 cup of room temperature egg whites. I used 4 large eggs to get 1/2 cup. And I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon, and we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Start out on low and increase the speed to medium. And now we have soft peaks. Pull that up and the peak is falling back over onto itself. So that only took about a minute with my mixer. And we just fold this very gently with a flexible spatula. Very easy. And I use a tablespoon cookie scoop. Just sort of mash that in there. Place these 1 inch apart on parchment lined baking sheets. I do like to come back and clean them up just a little. Make sure they're well rounded. These go into a 325-degree oven until they're very lightly golden on the bottom. These bake 16 minutes, so anywhere between 14 and 18 minutes. They should be just slightly firm to the touch, not pressing in on them, but firm. So very lightly golden brown. Let these sit on the baking sheet for about a minute or 2 before removing them. As soon as these cool, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of chocolate on them and just dress them up a little bit, but that is totally optional.